In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find map suggestions on Waze. To get started, open Waze in your browser and go to the live map. This is the main place where you can view the map interface and access editing related tools. If the page takes a moment to load, just give it a few seconds so everything appears properly on screen. Once you're on the live map, take a look around the interface so you can get oriented. The map itself will be in the center, and the tools you need are positioned along the sides and top of the screen. Knowing where these controls are will make the process much easier, especially if this is your first time using this part of Waze. Next, move your attention to the right-hand side of the screen and click on the pencil icon. This icon is the entry point for editing and review features. So if you're trying to find map suggestions, this is the button you'll need to use. After clicking it, the interface will shift to show more tools related to map updates and community contributions. From there, look over to the left-hand side and click on Review. This section is where Waze groups items that may need attention, verification, or action. If you don't immediately notice the panel update, pause for a moment and make sure the menu has fully opened before continuing. After that, direct your focus to the upper panel of the screen. This top area contains different tabs and filtering options that help you narrow down what you want to see. It's a good idea to scan the panel carefully so you don't miss the label you need. Now click on MS. In Waze, this refers to map suggestions. Selecting this option tells the system to display suggestions that have been submitted for the map. This is the key step that brings the suggestions into view, so make sure that tab is active before moving on. Once you click MS, all the map suggestions will appear on the screen. You'll be able to see the available suggestions directly within the interface, making it easier to review what has been flagged or proposed. Depending on your map view, you may see multiple suggestions at once, so you can pan or zoom as needed to examine them more clearly. And that's it. That's how to find map suggestions on Waze using the live map tools. If you're following along, just remember the path. Go to the live map, click the pencil icon, choose review, then select MS from the top panel to display the suggestions.